Hey traders, hopefully everybody is having a fantastic day today and is getting some good trades on. Kind of made some, stuff we were talking about in the Thorcast. A lot of that seems like it's coming to fruition. We had some different ideas going in, and then some tweets from the president came out. He's specifically posted on Truth Social some pretty aggressive rhetoric. And you would have thought by that rhetoric that the market would have responded by selling and going crazy, which is just kind of showing you that the market is no longer really too concerned with these things. And what we're really focusing in on is earnings and news that's coming out in our stocks. So there was a lot of news about OpenAI with a new factory that's being built. There's also some news for AMD on doing a big they're investing in some other companies. So this really brought some attention back to our tech sector. Now, this is really fun because with the tech sector coming in, our futures are going to pop. Since the market and metals tend to correlate, that seems to work pretty nicely. And that really got this market moving today. So I want to show you my trades today. I took 3 trades today, made over 2 grand, and I'm really happy about that. And let's get into it. So my first trade here, as you can see, was a trade on micro gold. I don't trade full size gold because I'm not a baller like that, but I trade micro gold, and I will take 10 contracts. So it's basically one full size contract. Micro gold, I had a nice little short here. This is H4, which is on a higher, wider range, is the range I'm looking to short. It got up near there. I could see some struggle in the volume, so I went ahead and went short. I ran a pretty wide stop on it. We got a nice move down to H3. We had the volume come in from the presidential tweet, and then we went into a squeeze, and I exited when we came through the 21, and we bought. Now, in today's concept, that's really what I want to talk about, right, is trailing, right? It's really, really important that when you're in a position that you have some kind of a daily trail to make sure that you're capturing at least a good amount of the move every day. And there's nothing worse than being up a grand or two and then going all the way back to zero. I did this out of habit for quite a bit, and I'm hoping you don't have to, right? So if you see the market squeezing like that and these things happening, much easier just to get out and then reassess and see what happens. Once I got out on this trail here, you can see from the buying and selling detector, we had actually started buying. So when we got back to H4, it didn't look like a short anymore. So this thing went into a big move to the top side, and we got above and bought the 200 on our 4 hour, and now we're sitting on top of that. So we're looking kind of bullish in our metals right now. My other trade I took just recently was actually a trade on silver. Had a really nice short. We actually called the short on our Camarilla pivot indicator here. I went ahead and got short on it, but then we just got really choppy and stopped moving. So as we came back through the 21 and made a new high, I went ahead and cut this position. I actually do believe this is still a valid short, but I have some things I have to do today, and I'm not looking to manage this position anymore. And since I had a decent win on NQ, which I'll show you in a second, I went ahead and cut it. So on to NQ. On NQ here, you could see we had a higher, wider range. Now on the higher, wider range, I like to buy S3, which is this cam level here. You can see it here on the cam indicator. We also had a bit of a wedge happening here, a little uptrend that was going on that we're trying to buy back over the top of. So I went ahead and went long at L3, stopped below, and we came back up, and then we lost the 21, so I cut it. This one was kind of a bummer because I felt really good on NQ that we were going to make it higher in the day and maybe even make it all the way for a run to H3. But that's just too deep of a pullback for me on NQ. Since I'm trading a full-size contract, you're talking about these pullbacks are like a grand. You know what I mean? So once this comes back through and it lost with volume and broke this level here, I went ahead and cut the position entirely. So hopefully you enjoyed the trade recap. I'm going to keep these short 5 minutes or less so you have a chance to see what I'm trading, see how I'm trading it. You can kind of compare your notes. All of the trades that I do are based upon my book, A Complete Day Trading System, and we teach this system every single day inside of the Market Alchemist. If you're interested in hearing more about it, www.marketalchemist.org. You can come hang out with us every single morning. Dr. V does our higher time frame levels as well as does our Traders Anonymous and gets everybody mentally prepared for the day. And then I take over with some additional live trading and run us all the way through. So I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you have a great rest of your trading week. And as always, keep it green. Thanks.